Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ASUS laptop is getting no Wi-Fi. So you can see turn off the flight mode on and off again. Then next and very important method, click to start, type device manager and then type device manager, open it, then extract the network adapter. So wireless, select right click and click to uninstall and click again uninstall it. Okay, so which is you can see Intel Wi-Fi, MediaTek and Realtek wireless LAN also. So this whole LAN you can see here in the network tab. So select and right click to uninstall, and after that click to action and then click hardware changes. Okay, so it will come again in back the Wi-Fi. If not, then close it. Make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled or not. So next step, type run, enter it, type ncpa.cpl, then hit enter. After that it will open this Wi-Fi. It's coming disable means it is already enabled. If it is coming enable means this is disable. Okay, close it. Restart VLAN auto configuration service. So click to start, type service and right click to run as administrator and then press W LAN. So WLAN auto configure. So this is your Wi-Fi service. Okay, auto configure VLAN means Wi-Fi. This is wired for LAN. So just double click and click on stop and then again start, but before that select the automatic and then apply and then okay. Okay, select this service again and left hand side this is restart options. So click to restart it and then close it. Next, perform network reset. So click to start, then setting, network and internet, scroll down, advanced network setting, then network reset, click on it. So after that it will network setting, it will restore it. Then last and very important, open any browser, download the latest driver. So type ASUS TUF driver. So first link, if you are using different, so you can type it because of ASUS driver download installations process same. So if you are using 16 17 any other one, so you can type it. Okay, this is your laptop. Oh, select operating system and this is your VLAN means this is your Wi-Fi driver. Click to download. Same guys, if it is not working on same system internet, so you can download driver from your phone and other system, and after that transfer to your system. Okay, your laptop via USB charging cable and all. Okay, so pen drive also. So click to open it, then click to okay, then next, then I accept, then next. Okay, you can install directly, otherwise extract. So select the install, then next, next. So when it is completed, then guys restart your system, select this and then click to restart and then please check and please confirm it is your issue is resolved or not. If not, please give me comment, please comment it. I will create another video. Thank you.